Hello, all the lovely audience. Welcome to our channel, Smart Money Techniques. So today I'm gonna talk about, and today's video is very interesting. Hopefully you can enjoy and know many more things on this video. And our today's topic is the power of affiliate marketing and how to make money without creating your own product on affiliate. So in this video I'm gonna talk everything or details about it. So how to get started and how to make a affiliate marketing without your own product. So the journey to becoming an affiliate market can seem daunting at first. So but if you break it down into smaller steps, achieving your goals becomes a lot easier. So number one, find a niche. You just find a good niche for it. And number two, choose an affiliate program. Number three, decide on a traffic source. Number four, grow an audience. And number five, respond to chat with your audience. So find a niche is hobbies, money, health, lifestyle, home, tech, and alternative. Hobbies like travel, photography, golf, living, outdoors. You just don't need to be a product, okay? Money, Bitcoin, personal finance, credit cards, investing, health, fitness, nutrition, vegan, lifestyle, luxury, airlines, fashion, jewelry, home, baby products, dog plants, and security. And the tech is web hosting, VPN, gaming software. So the reason you need to niche is that you need recommend lots of different types of products. People won't see you as expert you can trust. So first you can recommend a specific type of product and create content about it, then people can see your experience in the area. So number second is choose an affiliate program. Once you have decided a niche, the next step is choosing the affiliate programs to join. It makes sense to choose a program on affiliate product that aligns with your needs. You don't need a product, right? Okay, my dear old audience, I hope you can understand. So for example, lots of YouTube channels promote virtual private network VPN services so their audience can watch them anywhere in the world. So a more specific examples would be vegan, fitness and lifestyle educations, who is an affiliator for Vivo Life Supplements. And these are affiliate networks such as Following, Share, a Sale, ClickBank, a Win, Flex Offers, Amazon Associates, CJ, and Rakuten Advertising. And number three, decide on a traffic source. At this point, you need to start thinking about your traffic source. People often make the mistake of thinking you must become a blogger with a decided website. Though it is helpful to have one later when you have feel able to investment in your business and scale upward, it is not essential. So you can do business without your product on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Just you know the techniques, okay? So the number four is create content on a build trust. No matter which platforms you decide to use on affiliate marketing efforts, the next step is to start creating content that builds your trust with your target audience. In 2020, internet users worldwide spend on average 145 minutes per day on social media, guys. So if you want to do business, just focus on social media at first. So you can see tutorials, question and answers, product reviews, and how to tip and tricks. And by these methods you can earn money by affiliate without your product, okay? And the number five, grow an audience. While you are creating content on your platform of choice, it's also a good idea to start building an email list of SMS list. There are two main reasons for doing this. Number one, you own your own contact links. Number two, while some affiliate programs don't know you to include affiliate links in your emails. And the number six, respond and chat with your audience. The last tip for growing your affiliate marketing business is engaging with your audience. Generating conversation not only helps to followers or subscribers feel heard, but also works in your favor for social media algorithm. So guys, this is our today's video about how to make money without creating your own product. Hopefully you can understand. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.